Hi there. Drop-down lists are a great way to provide a menu of choices in a single cell of an Excel spreadsheet. To create a drop-down list, first create a new blank sheet in your workbook. Then, in either a single row or a column, enter the items you want to have appear in your list in the order in which you want them to appear. Make sure there are no blank cells between your entries. Next, select the entire range of cells containing your entries. Right-click on them and choose Define Name. In the Name field, enter a name for your list. Make sure there are no spaces in the name. Click OK. Go to the sheet where you want the drop-down list to appear and select the cell where you want the list to be. Under the Data ribbon, click Data Validation. Under the Setting tabs, select List from the Allow menu. Then, in the Source field, enter an equal sign followed by the name of your list. Make sure it's spelled exactly the same way it was when you created it. Also make sure Insert dropdown is checked. And if it's okay for users to leave the menu unselected, keep Ignore blank checked as well. Your drop-down list should now be working.